The PPS Glide single patient use air-assisted lateral transfer system is ideal for use anywhere lateral transfers are needed and can accommodate patients up to 1,200 pounds. Lay the Glide flat on any surface, then roll the Glide lengthwise about halfway with the straps tucked inside. Using a log roll technique, roll the patient onto their side. Place the Glide lengthwise next to the patient with the dark side down and the head section towards the patient's head. Gently tuck the Glide under the patient, then roll the patient to the opposite side. Spread the Glide evenly across the surface. Before transferring, center the patient on the Glide. Loosely secure the safety straps around the patient, but do not tighten. Push the receiving surface next to the sending surface as snugly as possible, ideally having the receiving surface 1 to 3 inches lower than the sending surface. Ensure the wheels are locked. With the blower plugged in, insert the hose into the slot at the bottom of the Glide. Then secure the snap and hook and loop closure. Turn the pump on to fully inflate the mattress with one caregiver on each side of the patient and legs flush against the surface. Once inflated, the receiving caregiver first pulls the foot end, then the torso end until the patient is completely on the receiving surface. Ensure the patient is centered on the surface before turning the pump off to deflate the mattress and then unbuckle the safety straps. The Glide is also useful as a repositioning aid for boosting, turning, and proning. To see how the Glide can benefit your facility, contact your AliMed sales representative for a free demonstration today or visit alimed.com/glide.